Hey guys, guess who's back? Iris,
And Alessandra. Miranda.
Ali, Murdy, and Mom. And today we have,
A crybaby.
what do we have?
A crybaby.
You have to do this. So, who are we hoping to get, Ollie?
I'll give you all my love.
You want to get the pink one? I'll give you all my love.
The second one I want to get is Love Makes Us Cry.
All right, you guys, fingers crossed that she gets the one that she wants. Así que vamos a cruzar los dedos para que agarre el que ella quiere. Do you think she's gonna get the one she wants, Miranda?
Probably not.
Oh, Miranda.
I want her to get Alice so I can trade her the frog.
What do you want?
For her to get Alice so I can trade her my frog.
Okay, that's what Murdy wants. All right, Ollie, let's see what you got, baby.
Got the bag.
All right, let's see. Don't reveal right away. Make it exciting for us. Okay, you want to touch first and see? Oh my gosh, wait. Okay, are you ready?
Yep. Ready?
Oh my goodness, she got Alice. Are we excited?
Yep. Yes, Ollie, we're trading.
Are we trading?
Yep. Yes, we are.
Are we trading, Murdy?
Yes.
Yay, we're trading. Bye, guys.
Bye. You just don't tell them more.